Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily scan a snapcode from your camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and let's say you got a snapcode and then saved it to your camera roll. So if you got the snapcode via Messenger, for example via WhatsApp, the first thing that you should do is save that snapcode to your camera roll. I hope you know how to do that. And once that snapcode saved to your phone's gallery, you can open up Snapchat, and then right here at the very top right corner you can find that person and plus icon. You can hit on that, and right now you are able to add new friends to your Snapchat profile. You can try to search for friends by their name using that search box, but also you can hit at that snapcode icon right here, and that opens up your camera roll. Right here, all you have to do is just tap on a snapcode to open up that user's profile page, just like that. As you can see, that's how it works. And then you can just hit on add friend to add this user as a friend. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also do not forget to like this video. See you in the next one.